This is not just a 911. This is the GT3 RS, Porsche's wildest, most track-focused creation. It's the moment Porsche decided to stop playing nice and build something completely unhinged. At the heart of this beast is a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat six. No turbos, no filters, just raw, mechanical power. It revs to 9,000 RPM, and it doesn't just scream, it howls. Like it's possessed. With over 500 horsepower, it launches with insane urgency. But this car isn't just about speed, it's about feel. Every twitch of the wheel, every tap of the pedal, every gear change, it's like the car is hardwired to your nervous system. Now look at it. That giant rear wing? Yeah, it's not for looks, it moves. Active aerodynamics generate crazy downforce, keeping the car glued to the pavement like a race car. And up front, vents, splitters, dive planes, all of it working together to cheat the wind. The suspension? Straight up motorsport. Double wishbones, adaptive damping, and adjustable settings. Right from the steering wheel. This is a car that doesn't care about your comfort, it cares about performance. The cabin is stripped down, wrapped in carbon and Alcantara. There's no fluff, just focus. Bucket seats that grip you like a vice, and door pulls instead of handles. The GT3 RS isn't for everyone. It's loud. It's aggressive. It's relentless. But for the purist, for the person who wants a race car with plates, this is it. The ultimate expression of what a Porsche 911 can be. If you could drive one car for the rest of your life, would this be it? Drop your dream spec in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.